So my journey with GeoPRISMS, oh wow, there's a lot of ways that it started. My name is Tamara Jeppson. I work at the U.S. Geological Survey. I'm a Mendenhall postdoc there, working as a research geophysicist in the rock mechanics and rock physics lab. I knew I wanted to do something kind of in the physical sciences. Originally I wasn't sure exactly what area. I had originally planned on doing astrophysics, but then ended up reading about geophysics and just thought it sounded really interesting, and so kind of started pursuing it with those undergrad degrees and learning about geology more. I had grown up in northern Utah, around a lot of fault lines and just beautiful mountain ranges, and so it was very interesting to me just how that had formed, the forces that went into it, and better understanding the world around me and how it comes together and works. My GeoPRISMS research is focused on understanding better the deformation behavior of sediment in subduction zones. So we're running consolidation and creep tests at higher pressures and with the plan to do at higher temperatures to really see how those behaviors change and what they're dependent on. I've continued with sort of related research looking at how faults heal at higher temperatures and with fluids and the interactions that go on there, just to better understand how subduction zones and fault lines evolve over time and develop, and so that we continue to have earthquakes along those places. Something that I really enjoy about doing laboratory experiments is that I can work with specific parameters. On Earth, we don't really get to have controlled tests all the time. But in the lab, I can simulate different conditions and really try to constrain the effects of individual parameters as much as we can. So GeoPRISMS for me is really about, well, there are a lot of things it's about, in all honesty. It's about building a community of people who are interested in solving related questions. It's also about, I guess in some ways, crossing boundaries. A lot of times our science can stop, like at the coast and not cross into the marine environment because, well, that's hard. But GeoPRISMS really helped by providing that sort of setup to cross the shore and look both on land and in the marine environment. If we really want to understand the Earth, we need to be able to cross those boundaries and look in more than just one place.